Hi, I'm Stacey Smith with Next Home Limitless Realty, and I'm here to read to you Don't Push the Button by Bill Cotter. This is a story about Larry, and he is so cool. But there's one thing in this book, and the rule is don't push the button. So let's see who can get through this story today without pushing the button. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. Oh, it does look pretty nice though, doesn't it? Maybe you should give the button one little push. Okay. Now I'm yellow. Oh no, Larry turned yellow. Push it again. Eek! Oh no! Now I'm yellow and polka dots. Push it twice. Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Oh no! Oh no! Look what happened to Larry. There's a bunch of him. Oh my goodness, what happened? Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Help me shake, 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 shake. Help me shake the book. Shake it good. You think that's enough? Oh, let's go one more time. One more time. Oh, almost. Just a little bit more. Okay, help me, shake. Shake him, shake Larry. Shake him good, shake our book. You think that's enough? Okay, let's see what happens next. Oh my goodness. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again, okay? But that was kind of fun. Maybe we should give it just a couple more pushes. What do you think? Want me to push it again? No? Yes? No? Yes? Okay, you ready? Let's push it a lot. The end. Wasn't Larry fun? And he was so cool with all his friends. I hope you enjoyed our story today about Larry. Just remember the only rule, don't push the button. Bye. Have a good day.